Welcome to my Crypto Yuhanis channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Cryptobakers project with you. Crypto Yuhanis. Let's make our legal disclaimer before we start our video. This video does not contain financial advice in any way. Please make your financial investments according to your own research. And if you like what you see, please give a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. We are proud to present to you yet another exciting, fun, and trustworthy project, the Cryptobakers. Before we start our video, did you ever play or heard anything about the phenomenal game Overcooked? Overcooked is a chaotic couch co-playing cooking game for 1 to 4 players. Working as a team, you and your fellow chefs must prepare, cook, and serve up a variety of tasty orders before the paying customers storm out in a huff. Cryptobakers brings to all fun about Overcooked to crypto world with NFTs. With Cryptobakers, you can play with friends, relax and earn in the style of pixel art lo-fi neon. So, let's look at their white paper for more details about this awesome project. Their welcome message says, "It's a pleasure to greet you in the restaurant business, traveler. In our project, you'll be able to feel like a real restaurant or even whole restaurant chain owner. You are the boss in your restaurant, and you are free to choose the employees who will create culinary masterpieces in it. Do you want Gordon Ramsay to cook for your visitors? Or maybe Elon Musk fried burger buns in your kitchen with his nano spatula? Go ahead. This and much more is waiting for you in our play-to-earn game created by professional artists in the pixel art style. Challenge the restaurant business with your team of professional cooks and become the best chef." Their main goal is to create a balanced, long-term gaming environment where players can earn real money, participate in contests and sweepstakes, expand their restaurant, trade chefs, and upgrade them as needed, and compete in culinary competitions. In the future, they see the development of such functionality in which you will be able to personally manage and control the process of growing products for your restaurant on farms, or even sell them to other chefs participating in the Michelin Star Tournament, and much, much more. On their roadmap, which you can find on the main page too, looks like they almost accomplished their first phase. They already achieved main website, Twitter, Discord server, Telegram channel, and launch of marketing campaign. In close future, airdrops and giveaways will begin. Also, private and public sales are on the way. For the future of their project, they want to achieve marketplace, Michelin stars, cooking predictions, NFT burning system, chief upgrade and leveling system, token audit, token listing, player versus player with new functionality renting, ability to rent chefs from other players to work in your restaurant, app development for iOS and Android, and creation of the meta game platform with general interaction. You'll need to subscribe their social networks, Discord, Twitter, and Telegram group. Details of the first sale will be announced soon. Let's check out their tokenomics now. Their total supply is 10 million. 60% goes to reward pool, 5% private sale, and 25% public sale. Rest of this 10% sale goes to ecosystem directly, and yes, team gets nothing on this. Their ecosystem includes full of marketing, events and airdrops, bug bounty hunter, charity, sports for cool young projects, and much more. So, let's learn about game mechanics. To farm token, you will need to purchase the ingredients for your dish. In the future, you will have the opportunity to grow your own ingredients and sell and buy them on the marketplace. A Michelin star is giving for the best restaurant performance at the end of the month. Also, you can bet on which restaurant will be in the Michelin top this month. Upgrade: the ability to send your chefs for advanced training, after which they will bring more profits to the restaurant. The owner of the restaurant has the option of renting a cook from another player. They have 5 different types NFTs on this project. 50% chance for common rarities, 31% for uncommon, 13% for rare, and 5% for epic rarities. You have only 1% probability to get legendary. All 5 different rarities have different daily incomes. Also, their tax, mint, and standard return of investments detail here. You can check out their fully detailed white papers for your investments. Before we close our review, let's look at the team behind this project. Alex on CEO couch, Mitchell and Dimitri their devs, and Sam lead artist on this project. Melissa marketing director, Gregory social media dev, Lynn, Roland, and Jason working on the marketing, and Ray their web dev. Now, let's check out their social medias. Their Twitter account has 65 followers already. You can follow their Twitter to get notified on the most recent news involving this project. On their Telegram group have 10 members now. You can join their Telegram group for more insight on this project, and you can get in contact with other Cryptobakers followers in this group. You can also join their Discord group for whitelist and get more opportunities for this project. The dates of the first sales will be announced after the recruitment of 1,000 subscribers in their social networks. Now is the time to earn the title of OG and get places in the whitelist. Alright, we are at the end of another great video. We looked at various details about the Cryptobakers project. We tried our best to take you through the website, pre-sales, in-game details with NFTs, white papers, roadmap, and social media links. See you next time. Thank you, and stay safe.